Welcome guys to this channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a group on Telegram. So from here go to the menu and here new group, click new group and then just write the name of group. For example, I'm giving Autodesk Learning Center and then click next.
And from here you can add your friend up to 200,000 if you want to.
You can next. So I just, for example, I add one my friend and then create. That's it. That's your group that you create. So again, from here you can view your setup your group. You can change the picture. For example, I select this picture and you can move like this and select the picture. Okay, and from here you can make on off the notification. From here again you can there is two member, you can add again your friend. Again from here if you want to more setting, manage, go to manage group and then again from here you can change your group name always if you want. So you can write in here any description, it's optional. From here group type, it's private. You can change it to public. If you want to change to public, you can give a link in here that later if you share this link, your friend you can invite your friend by this link. For example, I'm give it the desk learner learners. Yeah. Now this link is available. I'm going to create this, make it public. If it's private, just you and maybe and uh, your family member or your close friend just chatting in there. If you make it public, everyone can join and can give it an idea and writing in here. So now I'm going to make it public. So save. In here there's some permission. What can member of this group do? For example, can send message, send media, send streak and gifts, embedded links, can share link, yeah. Send polls, add member, pin message, sometimes pin message in here, and change group info. I'm going to make it unavailable of this. I'm not going to give permission to my member to like that and share link for example and then save. And from here you can choose you can select another administrator. You can add from here. I'm not going to add. And now there is two member. Of course, if you want to add again, you can remove. You can add again your member. And that's it. Yeah. If you want to share this link to your friend to join in this group, you can go to view group info and then click in here once time. It's automatically this link copied on your keyboard and then you can share in the group. You can share on the, for example, I'm going to share in the group. Now if your friend see this link and click, automatically he join and your group. See, if you click this, automatically join in this. Okay, and there is if you want to create a pool, also you can create a pool. New poll, for example, you write a question in here and then poll option, and here you can create this also. And you can of course add member, you can disable uh, uh, notification, and also if you want to leave this group you can leave in this group. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.